Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start my session with a beautiful thought. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sen Gupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So today's thought is, as you know more, you grow more. I repeat, as you know more, you grow more. So with this beautiful thought, I am starting my session of multiplication worksheet 4. This worksheet is related with the word problems. So question number, let us take an example. Word problem means a story, the problem which is written in the form of story. Now firstly we have to understand, and then after that we collect the information what we have to do and what is being asked in the form of the story, then try to give the answer. Now I am reading the story. There are 850 toffees in a packet. There are 850 toffees in a packet. How many toffees are there in all? In 215 packets. How many toffees are there in 215 pockets? So let's make a 4 square. I will use 4 square method. So I have drawn 4 square with the help of this cross. So first step is understanding the problem's keywords. So here children, the main keywords are how many toffees are there in 215 packets, and 850 toffees are in a packet. One punchline is a packet and next one is 15 packets. When it is talking about a single thing and asking about so many things, then the method is that you have to multiply it. So here which operation we will use? Here the operation of multiplication will be used. Now come to the second step. Second step is planning. So we plan to draw the pictures, right, in order to understand the problem. So this problem is related with the toffees. Okay, so in this, let us draw the toffee firstly. So how many toffees are there in one packet? This is a packet. So how many toffees? 850 toffees. So question is asking, said how many toffees are there in 15 packets. Here 850 toffees are in one packet. In how many packets? In one packet. So we have to find out total number of toffees in 215 packets. So third point is solution, solve it. So we will solve this 850 toffees in one, and in order to find out the total toffees in 215 packets, so we have to multiply it. Okay, now let's start to solve it. So number of toffees in a packet. Okay, this is a packet, that is 850. Okay, now number of toffees in how many packets? 215 packets. So what will be the number of toffees? Multiply the number of toffee in one packet, 850 toffee in one packet, with the total number of packets, right? It means 215 times the 850 toffees will be distributed in a packet, because how many packets? 215. It means toffees will be kept in a 215 times in a 215 packets. So we will multiply 850 with 215. Now we start from first step. I have told you in earlier session, starts with ones of this multiplicand is 850, multiplier is 215. So let's start with 5 ones. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 5 2 carry over, 5 eights are 40 plus 2 42. Now comes with 110. 110 as having 1 0. So according to the property of multiplication in product, that 1 0 will be kept to the right side of the product. Now let's start the multiplication. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 eights are 8. Now come to multiply by 200. 200 is having 2 0, so I put down 2 0 to the right side of the product. Now let's start the multiplication. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry over, 2 eights are 16 plus 1 17. So let's last method is we add these products. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 plus 0 7, 8 plus 4 plus 0 12, 2 1 carry over, 7 plus 1 8 and 1. So here how many total toffees? 1,82,750 toffees are there in how many packets? 215 packets. Now let's come to the value based question. Now come to question number B. There are 1000 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 75 such books? So let us start to make the 4 squares. So firstly, what do we understanding? First point is understanding keywords. What is the keywords of this problem? There are 1000 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 75 such books? So a book, here the punchline is a book and 75 such books. Okay, when it is the question is asked about so many things, and the statement is given about information is there for one thing, and you have to find out of the same thing but in a more than one the quantity. Then in this case the punchline is you have to do multiplication, right? Now second is picture planning. Picture is what? That pages. This is a page of the book. So how many pages are there in a book? 1000 pages in one book, right? So you have to find out 1000 pages in one book. So this is page, right? So we have to find out how many pages are there in 75 such books. So solution, how we will solve it? So number of pages in one book and total number of the pages that we have to find from the 75 books. So we will multiply 1000 with number of the book, means 1000 pages will be repeated in 75 times, so that because there are 75 books. Okay, this is the solution. Now start to write down the statement. Number of pages in one book is how much? 1000. Okay, so number of pages in one book is 1000. So number of pages in one book is 1000. So number of pages in 75 books is equals what? So what we will do? We will multiply 1000 with 75, and we can do this multiplication orally, children. When a number is multiplied by 1000, then in product the 3 zeros of the 1000 will go to the right side of the product, and then we will multiply this 75 with 1. So 75 ones are 75. We write down this 75 to the left of the third zero. right? First, second, third, 0. So how many pages are there? 75 pages are there in all, in 75 books, right? So this is the, in this way you will solve this all the questions, children, and then you have to do worksheet number 4 as your classwork. Now I will proceed for value based question. So similarly, children, you will do worksheet number 4 completely. 5 questions are there. If you are having any problem, you can ask me in the WhatsApp or in phone. Now come to value based question. Children, I am reading the story of the value based question. Rohan visited a charitable hospital with his grandparents during the summer vacation. Rohan visited a charitable hospital with his grandparents during a summer vacation. There he saw that most of the fans were not proper in working condition. Rohan wanted to help the patients of the charitable hospital by donating some fans. He spoke to his father, who was the president of his colony. The colony donated 35 fans to the charitable hospital. The hospital authorities were thankful to Rohan and his father. So there are 2 questions are there, children. Now I am again reading this value based question based story. Rohan visited a charitable hospital with his grandparents during a summer vacation. There he saw that most of the fans were not in proper working condition. Rohan wanted to help the patients of the charitable hospital by donating some fans. He spoke to his father, who was the president of his colony. The colony donated 35 fans to the charitable hospital. The hospital authorities were thankful to Rohan and his father. Now there are 2 questions. If the cost of one fan is 895, how much money was spent on the fans? So how many fans were there, children? The total fans, Rohan's father had donated money, 35 fans. So there were 35 fans were donated. Number of fans donated were 35. Okay. So cost of one fan is equals rupees 895. Okay. How much money was spent on the fans? So how many fans were donated? 35. So cost of 35 fans is equals 895 will be multiplied by 35, right? Now you have to do multiplication in the place value chart. You will make place value table and then you will do the multiplication. So we'll start from the ones. 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carry over, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47, 4 carry over, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. Now it's 3 tenths. Next multiply by 3 tenths. So 3 tenths 30 having 1 0. So I will put 0 to the right side of the product. Now let's start the product. 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry over, 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28, 2 carry over, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26. Now we add it. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 5 plus 8 13, 3 1 carry over, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, 2 plus 1 3. So the total cost of 35 fans is the total cost is 31,325 rupees. Okay. In what other ways can you help the charitable hospital? According to me, I can help by donating blankets and donating medicines and food and toys for the children. So children, it depends upon you that how you want to help a charitable hospital. Okay, somebody can donate food, somebody can donate money. So there are many ways to help the charitable, yeah, or self helping, self participating, helping the patients, helping the hospital staffs, and many other, so many ways are there. So children, you have to do value based questions, and that one, that is multiplication, worksheet number 4 of the multiplication problems on multiplications. So these two things are value based questions is a homework, and worksheet 4 is a classwork. So children, bye bye and have a nice day.